Hello everyone, I hope you all are very fine at your home. And I also know that every one of you are following the online classes very nicely and noting down everything in your copies. Am I right, children? Yes, I know. And today we are going to learn math tables of 5 and 6. I know that you have already done the table of 2, 3 and 4. Students, have you all written the table of 2, 3 and 4 in your copies? If you have not written, write them quickly. And today we will learn the table of 5 and 6, practice them, and then at the end you will write them in your copies.
I have tried to make a simple model to make you understand the table of 5. For this, I have taken a gift box in which you get clothes. That gift box I have taken and I have divided it into column wise 3, 1, 2, 3 columns, and this one I have made 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have divided it into 10 parts. Okay, now let's learn the table of 5 using this model. And also you need this type of marbles. I have taken marbles and this small crunches which I have at my home. I have used them. Now see students, what I have done. In the first column I have put 5 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marbles I have kept, and the second column, in each boxes I have given 1 crunches. You can see 1 crunches in each and every boxes I have placed. And in the third column, in each and every box I have kept 5 marbles, that you can see. 5 marbles I have kept. Now what I will do, as I told you that we will learn the table of 5, so we will start with our model. Now see children, 5 ones are 5. Okay, see, I have written it on the board also. 5 ones are 5. Now we will do 5 twos are. For this we will take away this board, then this becomes 5 twos are. See, 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. So let's write. See, I have written 5 twos are 10. Then again I will take out this cardboard and it will become 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. See children, I have written 5 threes are 15. Then I will take out this board, and this is 5 fours are 20. There are 20 marbles here. So 5 fours are 20. See children, I have written it. 5 fours are 20. Next I will take out this cardboard and this will become 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fours. 5 fives. 5 fives are 25. See, there are 25 marbles here. Next student, I'll take out this one. So this will become 5, 6 are 30. 5, 6 are. See, I have 6 crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5, 6 are 30 marbles I have here. 30 marbles. So 5, 6 are 30. Say children, 5, 6 are 30. 5, 6 are 30. Then student, I will take out this piece of cardboard. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7s are 35. There are 35 marbles here. 5, 7s are 35. Now I will again take out this piece of cardboard. So again 5. Now how many crunches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 8s are, I have 40 marbles here. 4, 0, 40. So 5, 8s are 40. Next children, I will take out this piece of cardboard and see. 5, how many? 5 9s are 45. I have 45 marbles here because in 5 8s I had 40. Then in the next house I had 5, so 45. So 5 9s are 45. See children, I have written 5 9s are 45. And the last one children, 5. If I take out this piece of cardboard, then 5. How many? 9 plus 1, 10. 5 10s are 50. I have 50 marbles here. So 5 10s are 50. See children, I have written 5 10s are 50. So this is the table of 5.
Now students will learn the table of 6. For the table of 6, first column I have 6 marbles, second column 1 crunches, and in the third column in all the boxes I have 6 marbles. I have kept 6 marbles. See, every box has 6 marbles. Now we will start table of 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. Which I have written on the board. 6 1s are 6. Now I'll take the board. Yes, then 6 2s are 12. I have 12 marbles here. So 6 2s are 12. That I have written it on the board. 6 2s are 12. Now again I will take out this board. Then 6. How many crunches? 3. 6 3s are 18 marbles. 18. So 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Next, again I will take this cardboard. Then 6 4s. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24.
Then again this piece of cardboard I will take. Then 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. I have written it on the board. Next again the same thing, I will take out this cardboard, and now 6 6 are 36. That I have written on the board. 6 6 are 36. Then again I will take this piece of cardboard. Yes. Then how much? 6 7s are 42. See, 6 7 crunches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Six sevens are 42. That I have written on the board. 6 sevens are 42. Then again I will take this piece of board. Then 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. That I have written on the board. 6 8s are 48. Next I will take away this cardboard. If I take away this cardboard, then now we are having 6 8s are 48. Then taking the next one, we are having 6 9s are 54. That I have written on the board. 6 9s are 54. Next, by taking the last cardboard, I have 6 10s are 60. 6 10s are 60, which I have written on the board. 6 10s are 60. Now see the complete table of 6. Once more, let us practice the table of 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. This you will write in your copy, learn and practice. Then coming to 6 times table, let us once more practice. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. This also you will write.